Hey there and welcome to another video on OOP. In this session I want to discuss how you can use .sort or the sorted function on instances of your own custom class here. So what I've got a custom class called car, and this simply takes two parameters, color and price. So we set up self.color, self.price here. I've then got this repr method. Repr is just short for representation. Basically this is used whenever you print an instance of your class which is inside something, so it's something such as a dictionary, a set, or a tuple here. Let me quickly blank this off for a second and just show you what this looks like. So we see our list contains 4 cars here, so each car has its own colour, each car has its own price, and what have we ever wanted to sort this list? So let's just try this straight off the bat and see what happens. I'm going to print a pre and a post, and then I'm going to try and sort in the middle. And it doesn't work. Let's look at this error. It says, the less than symbol is not supported between instances of car and car. And that's because .sort as a method and the sorted function effectively compare items. So it's going to say, is this first one less than this one? Is it less than this one? So it's making comparisons to basically put them in the correct order. So what we need to do is effectively implement the less than dunder method inside our class. So let's clear the screen and let's give that a go. I'm just going to write this quickly here at the top. So less than is actually calling LT here. So to implement this, all you've got to do is do a def here. There you go, if I type it correctly that is. And as usual, it's going to take self. And what's cool about this one is it takes an additional argument here. So if I just quickly write an ellipses here. So suppose, for example, I did, is this less than this? The first one becomes self, the second one becomes other, and suppose you want to compare the price, well, we can just simply say, tell me if the first one's price is less than the other one's price here. So straight away, this is going to work. Let's hit run, and there we go. And check out the order it's sorted. 15, 17.5, 21, 25,000. What if you want to compare them by the colour? Let's do self.colour, other.colour. There we go, so alphabetical now, black, blue, grey, red. There we go. What if we did, let's see, price? And then it doesn't support it, and that's because you can't compare a string and an integer in that way. So the similar kind of rules follow really. So if you had a list of, say, integers and strings, you can't sort that because you don't know how to compare strings to integers. If we have a full list of cars, well, we can simply say, this is the logic upon which you're going to sort. So one more time, self.price less than other.price. We can now sort our cars. So I'll quickly clear that and run it again. And there we go. So all you've got to do really is implement LT and then decide which attributes do I want to compare, and then if you then call .sort on a list of your instances, that then dictates the logic upon how you're going to sort instances of your own class. Cheers for watching, guys, and have a great week.